let us now study the construction of the AC generator. That means the parts of the AC generator that we'll study now. Okay, so the AC generator, if you see, it has like a big cylinder only. Okay, but when you draw the board, it's like a circle. Okay, and then like this. Or maybe this way. So this it has two parts here. Okay, mainly it has two parts. One is a stator, other one is called as a rotor. Okay, the stator is stationary and the rotor is will rotate. Okay, so now I have drawn the stator only. So this will be the outer portion, that is stationary. Okay, so this is the stator. We see as a stator core. Stator core. Okay, so this part is stationary. So let me remember. So what are the two parts here? We have stator and the rotor. Okay. Stator is stationary and rotor will rotate. So in the stator only we have to keep the windings there. We wind the coil over that. Okay. So if you see, so we have to put the coils here. Okay. Here like this way. And this one is a slot here, stator slot we see, or armature slot. Let me mark it here. Armature slot. Armature slot. That means armature means the coil. Okay. So the coil, if you see, it will be dot here. That means it comes outward here. Okay, then it will again go into the board like this way. So I draw X here. Okay, so it will come outwards and then it will come inwards. I will draw another colors here. So I have drawn the new colors here. Okay, this dot you see, that means dot means it will come, the wire will come outwards, and after coming outwards it will go into the board. Okay, so this is about the stator. Okay, if you see the stator wire, if you see only the wire is insane. Okay, the wire will look like this way. Okay, the outer portion. Okay, so now we need not be confused with the wire here. Okay, let's go with the rotor now. Let's see how to draw the rotor part here. Okay, let me draw it there. So now I have drawn the rotor also. This part is called as rotor. Okay, so let me mark it here. This part is called as a rotor. Okay, and that one is the outer one is a stator. Okay, the rotor will rotate. Okay, so on the rotor we have many windings there. Okay, there is a coil there. Okay, it's many windings. It's connected to the slip rings here. Okay, let me draw the windings first. This way. Okay, then these two are this is the slip rings. Okay, this and the inner portion is the slip rings here. Okay, so this and this are the slip rings. Okay, so what happens is we'll give a current to this. DC source is given to it. Okay, there are two brushes here. These are two brushes here. Okay, so this one and this one is brushes, carbon brushes we use. Okay, and we connect these two things, brushes, to the DC source. Okay, so DC source will produce a magnetic field here. Okay, if you see when you give current to this, okay, DC source there, this part will become north pole and this part will become the south pole. Okay, so we have a magnet produced inside, electromagnet is there. This electromagnet will rotate inside this outer portion here. Okay, inside stator. So a rotating magnetic field will produce a current here. Okay, so you see the coil, that is, okay, usually we see in very small toys only we see the coil is rotating. Okay, but if you see in the big, on the real AC generator, this rotor will rotate. Okay, so the magnetic field produced by the rotor will rotate. It will induce the EMF in the stator core here. Okay, and the stator core is actually like a cylinder only. Okay, you see from sidewise, it's like a cylinder. Okay, this is stator here. If you look from outside, it's like a cylinder. Okay, but it has many laminations like this way, many circles. It's made of many circular parts. Okay, and it is laminate also. There is lamination between these parts here. Okay, so why we have lamination is to reduce the eddy currents. Okay,